Hi there. In this video we're going to put together a Art Deco masculine card. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, so I'll provide the design space file on my blog or website, and I'll link to that below. The design space file requires Cricut Access subscription in order to cut because of the draw background. I think that's all. So this is draw and cut, and for my background I used the black glitter gel pen, and you can see it, the glitter in it. So both of my draw layers I used that pen. And then I did gold, non-shed gold glitter for the numbers. In the file they're attached together because I had to move them closer to make the outline. So you'll be able to detach and click in each one and change the number, and then you can attach again, and then you can, after you change your number, then do your offset. Okay, so let's get started. I remember my card base today. So all my cardstock and layers are cut from 65-pound cardstock. So, because it's got so many layers. If you do 80, it might be like 80-pound cardstock. It might be a little, for all the layers, it'll probably be thick. So I'm going to glue down the draw layer, which is the background piece that takes the place, that replaces the pattern paper. Well, I might get it there. Shoo. Alright. And you can see in mine it skips some places, but it's fine because it's going to be covered up anyway. But it did the other pieces fairly well. So the next piece is the triangle with the ribbon. You're going to cover up this area here. Alright, so when you line it up, you're lining it up between these to make these diamonds right here. And then the diamond points go all the way to the edge on the top and bottom. Alright. The next piece is the teal color, I guess, or blue. Is to add a pop of color. and it's just set in there with a very thin border. Alright. See the thin border around it? And then the next piece is a black triangle. Diamond triangle. Oops, I just got glue on my card. And this one has a thicker border around it. Alright. I've been designing a bunch of cards with like multiple layers. I don't know why, but for some reason I like them. Alright, and then the next one is the white layer with the draw. And this has another border around it. Alright. And then last is the 60, or the number, whatever number you're going to use. I did 60. I put too much glue on it. It'll be fine. It dries matte anyway. Alright, so now I want to pop dot it up. So I'm going to put some pop dots on the back. Oh, one pop dot. We'll see how it goes. And center this in the center of the triangles. There we go. Okay. So that's there. Now I'm going to add it to my card base. It's a pretty quick and easy card once you get the layers figured out. Okay. We'll try to steamroller it, brayer it down, see if that helps. Because I got the pop dots. Okay, so it's done. There's all the glitter and the sparkle. So once again, I will link to my blog or my website below in the description box below and provide this file, design space file. You'll need a Cricut Access subscription in order to cut it. I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.